Okay, so 1980 Corvette L82. It's got several things that are going to have to be fixed on it. Paint is among them. So there was some repairs that were done here before I got it. So basically the car needs to be cleaned up real good. It's got some spots where it's dipped and got some dimples and divots and things out of there. I've got some problems here for the key hole. I'm going to have to figure something out there that's a little bit larger than it's supposed to be. Also got some pretty big cracks with some deep spots in it too. They're going to have to be cleaned up and then fiberglassed when it's painted. We got some spots here too across the back, which I kind of expected. All of this right here, and this of course is going to have to be redone. I got that insignia that goes there, and so the back looks pretty good. The glass cleaned up nice. There's no dings or divots out of that, but got this little stuff all the way around it right here. This is little chunks out there of the paint. I'm not sure what that's from. Some more deep spots up in here too. And then we'll go up here across the top. And then I've got some pretty deep spots here and on the other side as well. So, same thing on the lock here. It's been hollowed out a little bit. These locks are gone. I'll have to replace those. Pretty decent all the way up to the front here. Do have some re-securing of this front spoiler. Here needs to be put back up. So it's got a piece of steel that goes in there, and then a couple of bolts that go through and hold it in place. Should be a pretty easy repair. Tires are really good. I was real happy with that. Overall, she looks pretty good. So the biggest thing about the car is going to be this top here. So this is a plexiglass top. It was manufactured aftermarket. And the problem with said top is it doesn't seal down here. So there's a pretty big gap in there. And that doesn't seal down right. Not anywhere across there. On top of that, where it meets the window under here, if you look, it's just floppy. There's nothing behind it. So basically the deal is this is going to have to be replaced with T-tops, which was what originally was on the car. When the gentleman got it, he did not have T-tops at all. It had no top. So that's what he put on it. That was his best choice. So there we go. 1980 Corvette. So I just got done cleaning it. It took me, 3 or 4 hours to clean it up. It was pretty bad. It needs a lot more still though. But here's the T-tops that it's going to need. So there's a regular T-top right there. And this is actually an 81 Corvette. So, yeah. I'll take another look inside here real quick. This is where there's going to be a lot of work here. So I got door panel work to do. Armrests. Sill plates. Looks like that piece on the inside there too. Console on both sides. Windshield washer switch in there too. A radio. And there is no carpet in it. So all the carpet has to be put in. So carpet. So inside. So not many of the gauges work. I'm probably going to have to do some work there. I'm guessing some stuff's out of line. I had a couple of extra things in there for the radio. But the floorboards they're all right, but they're not great. I'm pretty concerned about this stuff in there. There's a lot of particulate, so